Grow bags are similar to traditional pots for growing plants and vegetables, but they present many benefits over those containers. Grow bags are constructed of strong fabric that is breathable and allows excess moisture to drain through easily. They are also ideal if you are short on space. You can easily create a container garden to place on your patio, backyard, or balcony. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to grow vegetables in grow bags. What size grow bag should I use? Knowing the root growth of the plants you want to grow is key to choosing the correct size of the grow bag. Plants that have roots between 12–24 inches deep can be planted in grow bags at least 24 inches deep. Plants with deeper root systems will need deeper grow bags. When selecting a grow bag, keep in mind the maximum depth of the roots and select a bag that is the same depth or an inch or two deeper. The best soil for grow bags. Choosing the best soil for grow bags depends on the type of plants you're planning to grow and their specific needs. However, a good general mix for grow bags is a blend of high-quality potting mix specifically formulated for container gardening. Adding compost enriches the soil with nutrients and improves its structure. It also helps retain moisture. Consider incorporating a slow-release fertilizer or organic fertilizers into the mix to provide nutrients gradually over time. Position the bag where you will grow your plants. Growing bags are easy to move and can be placed in a variety of locations. They can be put on a balcony, outside in a garden, or in a greenhouse. Consider the amount of sunlight and warmth your plants will need when choosing the location. Water the bag often. Grow bags typically require more water than potted plants. Check the growing bags on a daily basis. Water the soil anytime you see that it is drying out. The plastic heats the peat mix up considerably, so keeping the soil moist is essential for the growing plants to succeed. Fabric bags usually need to be watered more often than plastic bags. Fertilize heavy feeder plants. Heavy feeder plants are plants such as onion, tomatoes, and white radish. You can buy a fertilizer or make your own natural fertilizer. You can make your own fertilizer out of Epsom salt and eggshells, worm castings, and compost. Spread a thin layer of fertilizer on top of the soil. There should be room if you left a couple of inches, 5 centimeters, at the top of your bag. Fertilize your plants at least once a week. Plants grown in containers have a limited amount of soil from which to draw their nutrients, and those nutrients can leach out due to frequent watering. As a result, plants in grow bags need more frequent fertilizing than garden plants do.
Grow bag garden systems have excellent aeration. Grow bags have porous sides, so the roots growing inside them are air-pruned once they reach those sides, branching out rather than growing in a circle as they would in pots. Therefore, the plants in bags won't become root-bound as those in hard pots can. That aeration also allows water to drain out from the sides as well as the bottom of the container, so that gardeners prone to overwatering aren't likely to cause root rot in their plants. You can reuse your gardening grow bags season after season. Grow bags can last up to 3 or 4 years. External factors such as watering volume, whether the grow bags are moved around, and the material they're made of impact their reusability. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.